Hey YouTube, got another gun review for you guys here today. Doing this one on the Taurus 856 6-shot 38 special revolver. Shot this one in the range today, about 70, maybe 75 rounds. I've put over 100 rounds through it over the last few weeks, and I'm really liking it so far. It does have some ups and downs, but we'll get into that a little bit later. First, let's take a look at some of the highlights today of shooting the Taurus 856 revolver. Then it'll show it's filming. All right, one-handed. I'm gonna go for like the heart. Hey YouTube, looking at the Taurus 856 here. 6-shot 38 special revolver. Took this one to the range, shot over 75 shots. As you guys can see here, it's got a lot of gunpowder buildup all around the cylinder, at the top here. This thing, it definitely has a lot of smoke that shoots out the sides. It really smokes up a room after 6 shots. I'm not gonna lie, I think it's because of the buildup, or I put a little bit of this REM oil on just before the start of this video because I was having trouble with this cylinder lock right here, this latch. Just kind of get it to come in and out. It seems to have smoothed up now, but yeah, just from about 75 to maybe 150 shots from this 38, the buildup was already causing that to, you know, stick a little bit. So that's just something to note. What else can I say about this thing? The predecessor to this is the Taurus 85. You know, with the 856, the only difference is the extra 1-shot capacity, giving it a 6-round total. This version here is the concealed hammer version in a matte stainless steel. They also make a matte black version and, you know, versions also with a hammer. This is the 2-inch barrel version with the rubber grips. I've seen versions with wood grips. You know, people change them out. I really like these, to be honest. They have a good feel on them. You know, in my hand, you can really squeeze it tight, you know, to absorb some of that recoil. It's got that notch here for your finger to just line up. You know, you can see my 3 fingers line up on this pretty well. It's real nice for my hand. The sights, I don't mind them too much, but my stepfather doesn't really care for them. He says it's kind of hard to line up that sight picture, and for me, I've noticed I do shoot a little bit off and low with it, but not so bad as to where I couldn't feel like, I could hit what I was trying to shoot at. Just not as accurate as I wanted to be. I probably just need more practice with it, getting used to that double action trigger. Let's check it out, see what that pull looks like. It's pretty heavy. I'm not gonna lie, it takes some getting used to. I found that I kind of like, getting it to this point right here, and then I try and get on my sight picture again, and then just boom, that last little bit to send the round out. I do like the Revolver though. Price points at around $279 to upwards of $500, just depending on where you go to get this. It's definitely more affordable than, Smith & Wessons and that are doing, the same thing, shooting 38 specials, Colts that shoot 38 specials, Rugers. Taurus is definitely one of the more affordable, and it's my first revolver that actually, has the cylinder that flips out. I have another one, but it's that old school where you actually put them in. This one's real nice. I can't complain. It's actually one of my favorite guns to shoot out there. It is a little snappy, I will say, after, consistently shooting 50 or 60 rounds. It does tend to get to, my trigger finger. It kind of, just causes a little discomfort. Maybe it's because it's all metal here or what, and, most guns today are that polymer, but that's just something to note as well. Pluses for the gun, it's real concealable. The price point was low. I do like the finish. It has that nice, heavy feel. It doesn't feel, cheap. It has the nice grips. But downsides, it does only have the 6-shot capacity. It doesn't have the nice, the nicer sights that some of the guns that are out today do. So it's a little dated in that fact. You gotta, like revolvers, I guess. But I actually do like this one a lot. I'm kind of looking forward to getting maybe a Taurus 605, something capable to shoot 357, or maybe a Taurus Judge. Who knows. But I also got this holster for the Revolver. This one isn't specifically for the Taurus 856. It's just kind of a all-around 2 to 2.5 inch barrel length revolver holster made by Bulldog. It was around $25. It holds the holds the gun pretty well, and I just like how this snaps over. I've worn it on my belt a few times, and just kind of tugged around to see, and it really holds it in there well. It's got a nice fit, nice feel, and if you're just trying to get it quick, you just snap that out, and it's no fuss. It's just nice to be able to carry it with, pull it out real easy. Alright guys, that was our Taurus 856 38 special revolver review. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share this video on Facebook, let your friends know. Follow 12 Gauge Guns on Twitter, Instagram. Check me out here on YouTube. Please subscribe. Feel free to leave reviews, and I want to apologize for all the slow motion videos that I got in the cuts and the action shots. I'm still kind of learning how to do this thing, and I took them all in 240 frames per second and then tried to slow them down, but the normal ones when I played back stood in slow motion for some reason. So I'll try and get that worked out in later videos for you guys. But I also didn't explain that we were using Herder's 138 grain FMJ flat nose 38 special rounds, and we were using Remington UHC LDRN 158 grain 38 special rounds. Just wanted to clarify that because I don't think I said earlier in the video. But yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and check me out later next week and see what we're reviewing.